Hi guys, and we can see on the chart we're on the pound USD 15-minute. Price is above the cloud and it's just closed above this resistance line here. We can see that each of our indicators below is telling us that we can go long. So we're going to enter a buy trade, and I've set my take profit target just underneath the nearest pivot line here, and my stop loss just under the closest support line, and we're in the trade for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So let's see how this trade plays out. I'll keep monitoring the trade as we go. I'm back and we can see the price is heading up. I'm going to wait a little bit longer. And I'm back again, and I've zoomed in a bit, and we can see that we entered the trade here on this candle on the red line at that point there. And let me just delete this line, and we can see how the price went upwards. The trade played out. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, around 8 hours to play through. And we can see below here $2,705 profit. Thanks for watching.
𝑡